Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to change the color theme in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. So whenever you try to open the Mozilla Firefox, once you open it on the top right hand side here, you can see the three lines. Okay, so open application menu. Click on that particular three lines. Go to the settings. Once you go to the settings on the general tab, just scroll down. So here you can see the language and appearance. So here you can see the website appearance. So here you can see some websites adopt their color scheme based on the preferences. Choose which color scheme you would like to use for these sites. Okay, so here I have selected the light. If you select the dark, it will be in the dark mode. So here you can see the website appearance has changed to the dark mode. Okay, suppose if you select automatic, it will choose whether, like, if you are working on the daytime, it will be on the brighter side. On if you are working on during the night time, it will change to the dark mode. Okay, so based on the preferences, based on the time and based on the requirement, it will change automatically. Okay, suppose if you change it to dark, here you can see the dark. If you change it to light, it will change to the light. If you select automatic, it will choose automatically based on the requirement. Okay, so this is how you can change the color theme on the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.